Hello, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to be installing a wig from Unice Hair. All of their information will be in the description box below per usual. This is a 24-inch Brazilian body wave V-part wig at 150 density, and it's super cute and super natural looking. So as always, I'm going to go through the construction of the wig, which is typical. It has the two combs at each side of the V part, and as you can see, there's like a little bit of, that's not even lace, it looks like a track at the top, and it's very thin and natural looking, so it can blend easily with your hair. So then you have the two combs at the top, the two at the sides, the one weird one at the back, and the one at the bottom, and your two adjustment straps. So yeah, this hair is super soft and silky, so let's go ahead and get into it. So underneath the wig, I'm going to have my hair going straight back in braids, and I have the middle part left completely out because I couldn't decide if I wanted to do a no leave out look or a leave out, but I decided to do leave out, so I'm just going to go ahead and part my leave out and pin up the rest of my hair that's not in a braid and go ahead and tuck it away. I'm not going to use a stocking cap because I have leave out and I have my edges left out. So I kind of had a little too much hair left out in the middle, so I'm just going through and separating the excess hair from the hair that I actually want left out. I could have made like two small twists or two small braids with these, which actually would have helped as an anchor for the clips on each side, and you can definitely do that if you want to. I was just feeling lazy and I didn't feel like doing that, so I just decided to part it and just like pin it behind my head with bobby pins. After that, I'm ready to go ahead and apply the wig and install it. So the first thing I'm just going to do is just attach the clips to the top of my head where my leave out is, but it's not necessarily going to be perfect. I'm just using this as leverage so that I can grab my clips in the back and on the sides and apply those first. I just noticed that it's easier to just like put the clips on the top so it has something to grab onto, and then once I feel like the clips on the sides and the back is on properly, then I'll go through and readjust the top piece. For my edges, I'm using Style Factory's Edge Booster. I'm going to go ahead and just do my edges before I go through and style my hair because I like to lay my edges down and give them some time to set and process before doing anything else. Now I'm just going to go through and flat iron this hair. I decided that I wanted a bone straight look for this wig because it's super flat. Like, it's 150 density, but it's kind of like on the thinner side, which makes it look a lot more natural looking. It's not like super thick. It's giving me like quick weave vibes. Like, to me, it lays flatter than a sew-in. Sew-ins don't lay that flat to me sometimes, but this is laying flat like a quick weave. So I decided to flat iron it to take advantage of the edges that I have left out and my leave out to really make it look supernatural, to make it look natural like a quick weave. Yeah, so I'm gonna go through and flat iron it, but I'm gonna show you what both look like. Also, the flat iron that I'm using is the Red Pro Silicone Protector Flat Iron. I got this from the beauty supply store like a few years ago, but I've seen the red brand everywhere, so I'm sure you can find it at your local beauty supply store. So I didn't put anything on my hair to prep it before I flat ironed it. I kind of just jumped right in there. But I'm doing the chase method with my comb, and I thought I was taking my time when I flat ironed it. You know, I wasn't moving as fast. Of course, this is sped up, but I wasn't going that fast. But I can notice that the hair wasn't getting as straight as I like it to be. My flat iron is on 450 degrees, so that's kind of like the only thing I can say. Like, it's still a little wavy, which kind of bothered me. Like, I wanted that bone straight look. I don't know if it was my flat iron or the hair, but yeah, I kind of had trouble getting it like super straight, but it was still cute. After I realized that no matter what I did, it wasn't going to get like super bone straight, I just started freehanding when I flat ironed and just like flat ironing random spots. I kind of just stopped caring. But you know, if you want to take your time and do it small section by section to get it super straight, I'm pretty sure it'll come out really straight. You just gotta take your time with it. So I just wanted to do a side-by-side comparison of the hair super straight versus when it's in its natural state. This is 24 inches, but when you straighten it out, this hair gets super long. It hangs more like a 26 inch to me, and I'm 5'3". Now I'm just using the Bio Silk on my natural hair, and I'm going to go through and flat iron my leave out and blend it in with the wig. And literally, that's all there is to it, to this install. Like, it's done. This probably took me like 15 minutes max. Not even. Well, maybe 15 minutes because I had to like flat iron my hair. But besides that, this is so fast and it looks so natural. I love how flat it is. It's 150 density. And I was kind of nervous at first because it is a little bit on the thinner side. But it kind of gives me that like fresh quick weave look. I would say like sew-in also, but sew-ins don't lay this flat to me, honestly. This is laying like quick weave flatness, and it looks so natural because I'm able to leave my edges out, and I'm able to leave out at the top. So yeah, you really couldn't tell. If you didn't want to do leave out with this, you definitely don't have to. I do have other videos showing you how to install a V-part wig with no leave out. I just personally prefer leave out because you get this natural look right here. And now I'm good to go. So I'm going to go on about my business. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.